Hi, it's JoElla Milan. And do you ever feel blah or brain fog or you just don't want to deal with it? Well, that's how I've been for the last month or so. So I finally am going to do a video. Every day I go, I'm going to do a video this morning. Oh, I'll do a video tonight. Oh, I'll do a video this morning and tonight. And somehow I just never got to it. You know, in California, it was hot and it was so humid. And with my long hair, my hair will not dry when it's humid, so it stays wet. So I just have to stick it up like this. So between my hair and everything else. And then also, probably over a month ago, my best friend died of 30 years, very unexpectedly. And that has been hard on her family and all of her loved ones. So that was another reason. But what I wanted to talk about today is when you're going through things like that, or, you know, we all have something we're going through and you don't want to deal with it. I just have some easy things, not a skincare routine because you don't feel like it. I know with me, I was working, and I still do, like 12 hours a day, and then, you know, doing what I could do with my friend and her family. And so by the time I'd go to bed at night, I literally would lay down and I was gone. I was out that fast. So needless to say, you know, I didn't take good care of myself. So I have some I'm talking easy. This is not a routine. This is easy when you don't want to deal with it, you know. And yet you still have to look good, you know, because as you get older, we don't use our products for a short time and all of our good results go downhill. So I just thought I would go over a few things with you that I did, and thank gosh, you know, for that, because I would some days go like, oh my gosh, what happened to my face, you know? But then later on, you know, it looked fine, just with these little small tips. So first of all, as always, I can't stress enough that JoElla Milan Capture Youth Water. This is a small travel size, but this stuff, if you do nothing else, do this. You just spray it all over your face and your neck and wherever you want, and just rub it in, rub it, all around the eyes. Rub it in. Don't just spray it and go like that. That's not it. You got to rub it in around the eyes. Gets rid of your crepey eyes, and it firms the skin, firms and tones. It helps with crepey skin. It's so easy, and I've used this since 2014. And, you know, I attribute it a lot to my good skin tone, which, you know, I've got great skin tone. And so this is it. But, you know, another thing that you don't think about, again, I've got all these millions of products, and some days I just didn't feel like getting them or using them, whatever. But, you know, if you can't get out of your house, maybe you're sick and you can't feel good, plain old virgin coconut oil that you can get in your grocery store or whatever, clean your face with this. I've done that many times, even though I've got, you know, sometimes you just don't feel like dealing with the cleanser. You just want to clean your face and go to bed. So you just take a little bit of this, go all over the face with that, good for taking off makeup, and then take a wet cotton pad, a washcloth, whatever you have, and wipe off your makeup or your face. You know, just clean your face. Just cleaning your face in general will make it look more plump and refreshed. So, you know, there was nights I would do this, and then I would use the Capture Youth Water, go to bed, and that's all. Then other nights when I was feeling a little bit more energy, I would do that, and then I would put on my Victoria Deanne eye serum, their Pepti eye serum, and put that under the eyes and on the crow's feet and on my lids. Because this stuff, you know, as many years as I've used it, I don't have any wrinkles around my eyes at all. I don't use injectables, fillers, any of that stuff. This keeps my lines away. So that's another thought. Then if you feel a little more, maybe in the morning, I know the nighttime, because I know there's a lot of you that go to bed with makeup on, and that and we've all done it, but it's not good for your skin. And you could feel it. You just feel yucky when you do that. So if anything, just do what I just showed you right there. And then in the daytime, you can do, and again, these are easy. I'm not giving you anything difficult. Just either the tight neck or the tight eye, and just put that on your face for 5 minutes. You could put the tight eye around the eyes, or put this on in the neck. Leave it on for 5 minutes and get in the shower and just rinse it off there. That's easy. Or another thing that I like, which was easy, is the osmosis, the Polish MD. This is, you leave it on about, 5 or 10 minutes. I find I like to leave it on a little bit more. You just put it on your face again before your shower. Just put it on for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. And this, will firm your skin a little bit, and it also gets rid of that dead skin cells. So, this will make you look refreshed. And for my regular customers, I as an esthetician, I teach the people that buy from me for years, I teach them things about their skin through my newsletters, things that you're not going to find out anywhere. And I teach them different procedures for their face, different things they could do at home that nobody else is going to tell you. So for my regular customers, I have little tricks that you can use along with this. But again, you've got to be one of my customers, because I'm not going to talk about it on my video. But so the polish is a great tool, and this you could use once a week, just to refresh your face a little bit. That's a great tip. And then always my standbys, this is another thing, of the Victoria Deanne. Because the basics are the lift and the tone. So if you can't do anything else, just put the lift and the tone on. That's going to lift the face, and it's going to tone the saggy looking areas. Again, these are basics, so you want to use that. My one product of the Victoria Deanne I would not be out without is the pad peptide. So this helps restore the natural fat pad areas. But for me, and again, I've used this, over 10 years, but aside from that, my cheeks, everything are where they're supposed to be, because my fat pads are great. So if you have wrinkles around here, just really rub it in. You can put it on the lips too. But I find if I don't use this, for me, I have it, which I've talked about before, but I've got some little lines on my eyebrow from years ago when my cat was sick and I slept screwy for 6 months. But if I keep this on my eyebrow, I'll have no wrinkles at all. You do not see them. But if I don't use this for like a week or two, the wrinkles will start coming back. So again, back to the basics. Some nights I would just do this and the eyeliner and put on my Pepti pad. This I do twice a day. I don't care what's going on. This goes on twice a day. So that's a must-have. The pad peptide Victoria Deanne. So that and the lift and the tone. So these are just so that you're going to look good, through your trials and tribulations. I talk to people every day. I know people have between a death in the family, or, a spouse is sick, or they are sick themselves, or they're post-surgery, or, there's so many things that people go through, and they just look awful. And they'll call me and they go, oh, I've been out of sorts for 2 months, and I need to get back on my skincare regimen. Well, try to just do these little basic things while you're going through that, so that you don't have to start over feeling like you look horrible, because if you do, the better you look, the better you feel. And I realized that there was days I didn't even want to get out of bed hardly, but once you get up and you shower and you put yourself together, you feel better. And so that's important. Another product I've talked about before is the Beauty Reset by Lemieux. And aside from being anti-aging, because it says it's flash firming concentrate, this stuff is good for pigmentation. That's the reason I started using it, because it was suggested to me by one of the people at Lemieux. And I find if I don't use that, I use it. I would put on all my serums and then I'll put that on. If I don't use this, you know, just those little sunspots, they start coming back again. If I use this on a continuous basis, those little sunspots go away. You know, my skin looks so good. I go like, oh, you know, I'll be outside. You know, for me, like at night when I go to the post office with all my shipping, it's so funny. I back out of my garage into the sunlight, and then I look up in my mirror, and I see my skin, and I'm going like, God, my skin looks really good. That's when I really pay attention to my skin, because I'm in the real light, in the real world, and when I use this, I don't have any sunspots. So I highly recommend this. You know, I'm going to put the links down below so that you can see that. Also, one other thing that I meant to say is that, like in the daytime, like even today, I have on tinted sunscreen and a little lip gloss and mascara and some eyebrows. And that's it. You know, just basics. It takes 5 minutes to do that, and it makes you feel better. So anyway, it's good seeing you again. I miss doing my videos because I try to do them often, and I just couldn't do it. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, I'm easy to reach. Call me on my toll-free number, or you could send me an email, and I get back to you. And if you don't hear from me, call or email me again, because I do get a lot of emails, and sometimes I honestly don't see them, even though I watch all day long. So look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. And make sure your loved ones, make sure you tell them you love them. I tell you, that's so important to be there for your family and your friends, and makes you feel good. Okay, thanks.